Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to increase the text size on iPhone 16 Pro Max, 16 Pro, 16 Plus and 16. So here is my phone, iPhone 16 Pro Max, and this is how it looks now, the text size on my phone. And if you want to increase it, I will show you a little trick. But first, to increase the text size, just go to display and brightness. And here we have text size. Tap to go inside. And from here, if you move this little dot, you will increase the text size. And this is how it looks now, my iPhone with the new text size. And I will show you a little trick. If you want to increase more the text size, just go to accessibility, and here we have display and text size, and here we have larger text. Now it's turned off. Tap to go inside, and from here you can turn it on, and now you can increase more the text size, and this is how it looks now. And for those who have eyes problems, I think this is better. So, in my opinion, this is a good thing. Just go to accessibility, tap on display and text size, larger text, and from here you can increase or decrease the text size. Okay, so this was my tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.